She never sought the spotlight, yet she stands as a pillar holding up the British monarchy for over 70 years. This is the story of Princess Anne Elizabeth Alice Louise, the monarchy's true backbone. Born in 1950, Princess Anne is the second child and only daughter of Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh. She is the younger sister of King Charles III and has remained one of his closest and most loyal allies throughout the decades. Anne has held the title of Princess Royal since 1987, a traditional honor given to the monarch's eldest daughter. Her upbringing was structured, stoic, and full of purpose. From the very beginning, Anne was taught one thing above all: duty comes first. Often called the hardest-working royal, Princess Anne has completed between 300 to over 500 royal engagements in some years, outpacing nearly every other member of the royal family. She has held leadership roles in more than 300 charities, including Save the Children, St. John Ambulance, and the British Olympic Association. Her reputation is built on substance, not spectacle, blending tradition with a quietly modern approach. Anne's military affiliations further underscore her commitment to service. She holds honorary titles such as Colonel-in-Chief of several regiments, embodying discipline and dedication. Unique among royals, Anne was the first British royal to compete in the Olympics, representing the UK in equestrian eventing at the 1976 Montreal Games. A fearless rider and focused athlete, her skills were earned through relentless dedication. Behind the public figure lies a devoted wife, mother, and grandmother. Anne married Captain Mark Phillips in 1973 and had 2 children, Peter Phillips and Zara Tyndall, whom she chose not to give royal titles so they could lead more normal lives. Later, she married Vice Admiral Sir Timothy Lawrence in 1992, with whom she shares a close and enduring bond. Unlike some royals, Anne has always fiercely protected her family's privacy, balancing royal tradition with realism. Within the royal household, Princess Anne is deeply respected. She shares a strong working relationship with King Charles III, serves as a stabilizing presence, and maintains a supportive bond with Queen Camilla, Prince William, and Catherine, Princess of Wales. Her influence often goes quietly unnoticed but is deeply felt. Anne and Princess Diana, 2 icons with different paths: Anne, pragmatic and private; Diana, charismatic and emotionally open. Both demonstrated powerful female leadership and a commitment to charitable causes, especially those supporting children and the vulnerable. When Queen Elizabeth II passed away, it was Princess Anne who accompanied her mother's coffin from Balmoral to London, symbolizing enduring duty and tradition. As the monarchy transitioned under King Charles III, Anne stood firm, unshaken by scandal, untouched by drama, and unwavering in her role. No titles beyond what she earned. No fuss, no distractions. Princess Anne is a woman of action, not words, of commitment, not ceremony. In a world captivated by spectacle, Princess Anne reminds us that true leadership often comes quietly, steadfast and unyielding. If Princess Anne's story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful journeys into the lives of the royals. This is Princess Anne, the monarchy's backbone. Thank you for watching.